Today, I'll show you how to get a link to your sign-up form in Klaviyo. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or looking to streamline your email marketing efforts, having a direct link to your sign-up form can be a game changer. It makes sharing your form across various platforms simple and effective. So, let's dive right in and see how you can create and obtain that link. First, you'll want to navigate to the sign-up form section. You can find this in the left-hand menu of your Klaviyo dashboard. This is where all your form management happens, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new sign-up form. Click on it, and this will kick off the process. Now, when you create a sign-up form, you'll need to decide on the type of form you want to use. For our purposes, we're going to select the full page option. The full page form is ideal because it gives you plenty of space to capture all the necessary information from your subscribers while providing a clean and professional look. Next, you'll need to associate your new sign-up form with a specific list. This step is crucial because it ensures that any new subscribers are automatically added to the right list within your Klaviyo account. Take a moment to select your desired list from the options available. This way, you can easily manage and communicate with your new subscribers without any hassle. Once your form is associated with a list, it's time to design it. Klaviyo provides a straightforward interface to customize the appearance and content of your form. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and fields to match your brand's style and meet your specific needs. Be sure to take advantage of this flexibility to create a form that truly represents your brand and encourages sign-ups. After you're satisfied with the design, the next step is to publish your form. This is as simple as clicking the Publish button. Upon doing so, Klaviyo will handle the rest and get your form ready to go live. What's great about this process is that publishing your form is quick and doesn't require any technical expertise. Once your form is published, you'll see a success message. This message will include a direct URL to your form, something like https://kmail-lists.com/ or similar. This URL is the key to sharing your form across different platforms effortlessly. You can copy this link directly from the success message, ensuring you have it handy to distribute wherever you need it. With this URL in hand, you can now share your sign-up form link across social media, embed it in emails, or even include it in your website's call to action buttons. Having a direct link makes it incredibly easy for potential subscribers to access your form and start engaging with your brand. And there you have it. You've successfully created a full-page sign-up form in Klaviyo and obtained the link to share it. This process is not only simple, but also highly effective in growing your subscriber base. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Now you're ready to make the most out of your Klaviyo account. Be sure to explore other features Klaviyo offers to further enhance your email marketing strategy. Happy emailing!